The aftermath of Hurricane Hanna, which made landfall 2 years ago today. Parts of Corpus Christi still feeling the impact tonight. Good evening. Thank you so much for joining us this evening. I'm Pat Simon. Among the hardest hit areas hit by that Category 1 storm, the Corpus Christi Marina. New at 10 tonight, Javier Guerra looks at the work that still needs to be done over at the Bayfront landmark.
It's been 2 years since Hanna came ashore. Our area was struck with strong winds and waves and caused some damage to iconic Corpus Christi landmarks.
2 years ago, we had a very high tide and winds that damaged the L dock that sits behind the Corpus Christi Yacht Club, and People's Boardwalk, and D dock, which is one over behind me.
Jonathan Atwood, the Corpus Christi Marina manager, says that although it has been 2 years, the city is still hard at work to continue construction and make structures stronger for future events.
We fixed most all the minor damage. We still have work to do on the docks. We're currently waiting on the Corps of Engineers permit.
Once those permits are fulfilled, construction can begin to help improve the marina for years to come.
Try to pick a modern material that will be able to withstand some of these future storms. Mother Nature's always going to do what it does. You know, we try to plan and build to the strongest that we can.
Although there is no completion date just yet, Atwood says as soon as those permits are in their hands, construction will begin. City Manager Peter Zanoni says although it has been 2 years since the storm, it is important not to rush things.
We're replacing in an appropriate time frame. We're not rushing it because we want to make sure design is right. We want to make sure we have the best materials. That's true for the piers and the slips as well as the People's Boardwalk.
Javier Guerra, Chris 6 News.